Like so many other automobiles from this decade, our long-term Jaguar F-Pace crossover has customizable interior lighting, a part of the $2,350 luxury interior package. I've previously admitted to the fact that ambient lighting has me split in opinion. On the one hand, I know that it's probably going to end up being dated and uncool in the future. On the other, I actually quite enjoy it, possibly because I grew up in the neon-fueled world of early OOS import tuner culture. I also like it from a color coordination perspective. Our Jaguar's bold blue hue called cesium can be brought inside with equally bright illumination. It's very satisfying. But that satisfaction of having everything just so as quickly sullied as the center stack and switches are only one color that can't be changed. Admittedly, that's completely normal, but unlike many of those other cars that use neutral white illumination, the Jags light up in the same blue, teal color that made your Razr phone look cool so many years ago. And so whether you bathe your cabin in blue, red, purple or green light, the ambient lighting will clash with the main switchgear. You can pick a shade of blue for the ambient lighting that roughly matches the switches, but I don't want to compromise my color preference because Jaguar didn't put in legend that would be neutral, or, even better, change to match the ambient settings. I have other complaints about color matching in the car, too. The instrument panel, which is a flat screen, has a few different display modes, but most of the readouts use a similar, but not quite the same, blue, teal color as the switchgear. So that doesn't match, either.